kasipagan at pagpapakumbaba. Ito raw ang pangunahing sangkap ng Novo Eciano brand of hospitality na nakaukit sa agricultural heritage na dapat palutangin. Siyempre, kasama ang pagpapaigting ng mas pinalakas at mas nagkakaisang tourism industry stakeholders. Ito ang sagot ni Jan Mara Stefan San Pedro sa tanong kung ano magiging signature niya bilang bagong talagang acting Provincial Tourism Officer sa isinagawang accreditation caravan ng Department of Tourism sa Old Capitol Auditorium, Cabanatuan City noong January 14, 2025.
I really wanted a stronger or are you more unified organizations, associations in the province for the resorts, hotels, event suppliers, and all. Para mapalakas po natin yung industriya, kailangan po natin yung mga partners natin. Pangalawa po is, what I've mentioned po is I want to have that Novo Ecijano brand of hospitality, which is, I think, yung ma-engrave natin siya with our agricultural heritage. What do I mean by that? Agricultural heritage, we must have that hard work and humility. Our tourism workers are hardworking people and they are very, very humble. And I wanted that to transcend to our stakeholders po. Na parang when you welcome your guests, they can see your hard work and they can see your humility while giving them a grand service.
Hindi na bago kay Ginang San Pedro ang dinamismo ng industriya ng turismo. Bago italaga sa posisyon, nagsilbi siya bilang General Manager ng Crystal Wave Hotel and Resort sa loob ng 6 na taon. 7 taon din siyang naging international and domestic flight attendant ng Philippine Airlines. Ilan sa mga natanggap niyang sertifikasyon at mga parangal ay ang mga sumusunod. Top 1 domestic cabin crew ng Philippine Airlines noong 2010, guest service professional mula sa American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute, Filipino brand of service excellence trainer ng Department of Tourism at maraming iba pa. Nagtapos siya ng Bachelor of Arts in Communication sa University of the Philippines, Baguio at ngayon ay kumukuha ng Master in Business Administration sa Wesleyan University, Philippines. Hindi na rin bago sa kanya ang kakibat na responsibilidad ng opisina dahil ninanay niya ito sa kanyang kabiyak na si dating Provincial Tourism Officer, Atty. Jose Maria San Pedro, na ngayon ay nanunungkulan na bilang Provincial Administrator.
I am very excited. Although there's a part of me na parang kinakabahan, how will I do this? How will I start this? But I saw yung mga platforms ni PA, ni Attorney San Pedro, and he started it all, mga technicals, the branding and all, it's all there. And I am here to execute some of the most important, which is of course service, na may provide natin sa ating mga partners, LGUs, and stakeholders, and as well as ma-improve po natin, mapaganda pa natin, paano natin i-welcome ang ating mga bisita. So ako po sir, punong-puno yung puso ko para I wanted to do more. I wanted to do something na can really change the landscape for tourism industry. This is the opportunity to thank first, of course, our Governor Oy Matias Sumali and Vice Governor Doc Anthony, ang ina ng ating lalawigan po, Ma'am Cherry and si Kuya Lemon for their unending trust and support po sa atin sa Tourism Department.
Kahit si DOT-3 Chief Tourism Operations Officer Avon Timbol na team leader ng caravan ay kumbinsidong swak na swak si Ginang San Pedro sa bago nitong tungkulin. January 6, 2025 nang i-appoint ni Governor Aurelio Umali si Ginang San Pedro sa pwesto. Ang nasabing event ang unang-una niyang proyekto.
Sobrang sarap ng pakiramdam at yung puso ko sir ay tuwang-tuwa dahil nakita ko po yung initiatives ng mga stakeholders na pumunta po talaga and they really wanted to be part of this activity, and that's a great sign sir kasi parang it means that yung pagpunta namin dito, we are committed with you, we will help you, we want to be better establishments, and it's something that we really look forward sir as the new acting Provincial Tourism Officer. Napakalaking bagay po yun because that gives me the support, the boost na we are one, we will do this together.
Samantala, naging matagumpay ang ginanap na DOT Caravan para kay Orea de la Cruz Rojas, may-ari ng bagong Rojas Agri-Tourism Park sa Science City of Muñoz. Malaking tulong daw sa kanya ang pagdalo. Naintindihan niya ang proseso ng akreditasyon at nalaman ang mahalaga nitong benepisyo, kaya nagpapasalamat siya sa inisyatibang ito ng Kapitolyo at Department of Tourism. Para sa Balitang Nueva Ecija, Delphine Agustin, Ilaw, DWNE, Teleradyo, ang inyong kakampi.